Climb inside the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, blind spot sensor, remote keyless entry, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.